Class 10th, Chapter 8, How do organisms reproduce? So today we will learn about sexual and asexual reproduction. So first, let's distinguish between asexual and sexual mode of reproduction. In case of sexual reproduction, two parents are required, whereas in case of asexual reproduction, one parent is needed. And because of this, gametes are formed in sexual reproduction, whereas no gamete formation takes place in case of asexual reproduction. Fertilization happens only in sexual reproduction and no fertilization in asexual reproduction, and that's why there is no formation of zygote. Since two parents are involved, so new characters are formed in case of sexual reproduction, whereas in case of asexual reproduction, new characters are formed only through mutations. Meiosis is the type of cell division which takes place in sexual reproduction, whereas meiosis does not take place in asexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction found in higher animals, whereas asexual is found in lower animals. Sexual reproduction support to evolution process, whereas asexual also supports to evolution but not frequently as in the case of sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction takes more time, whereas asexual reproduction takes comparatively less time to complete. And based on this, today we will learn about binary fission. Binary fission is the division of parent cell into two small, nearly equal sized, identical daughter individuals. The two daughter individuals then grow into adult organisms. So, fission of a single parent cell results in the formation of two new unicellular organisms, and hence it is called as binary fission. Here binary stands for 2. And if you will carefully look at the diagram showing the process of binary fission in amoeba, then certain steps are involved in it. First step is the replication of DNA molecule, DNA deoxyribonucleic acid. And then the replication of DNA is followed by elongation of nucleus, which results in nuclear division. The nuclear division is followed by the appearance of a constriction in the cell membrane. The membrane then grows transversely inward from near the middle of dividing cells, which separates the cytoplasm into two equal parts, each with one nucleus. The two daughter cells may separate from each other and behave as two independent organisms. So this is how fission takes place in case of amoeba. So I want to end this with a question which you need to think, that how fission in Leishmania is different from that of amoeba. Because Leishmania also reproduced by binary fission, but it's slightly different. So just think and search that how Leishmania shows this binary fission process, but slightly different from that of amoeba. Okay, have a nice day all of you. Bye children.